First, open a browser and type in Adobe AIR SDK and click the first link. Now download a version that corresponds to your operating system. Unzip the file and rename it to AIR28. Now copy and paste it in your Animate CC's directory. Next, open the coloring app FLA file and under Help, select Manage Adobe SDK. Click the plus in the upper right corner and find the previously created AIR28 folder. Click Select Folder. From the Publish panel on the right, make sure that your target is set to AIR28 for Android. Click the wrench to open the Advanced ActionScript settings. Remove these two paths by pressing the minus button. Click OK and reopen the panel. Press the plus button and let's re-add these files. Select OK, we have to add them one by one. Next, open the application settings by pressing the wrench. Here, you can set the name of the output file. This line corresponds to the name of our application. App ID is a unique identifier that Google Play uses to differentiate between the apps. In the included files, we have Drawing Applet Swift file. To obtain it, you have to register your purchase in our system. For more details, please read the Advertisement section in the PDF file that comes with the product. Make sure that Drawing Applet Swift file is in the same directory as Coloring App FLA file. Now let's open the document class. At line 50, we need to provide our AdMob banner ID. Line 52 requires ID for AdMob's interstitial ads. Here we need to provide our app's ID. You can obtain it in the AIR for Android settings. In our case, it's AIR.coloringapp. Of course, you will have to come up with your own unique ID name. This is where you paste in your ID name. Here's the message you want to share on social media. At line 59, you have to provide your Google Play's publisher name. At line 61, you have to provide the link to your menu PHP file. In your app's descriptor file, make sure that the following permissions are always there. You can find them in the PDF file. At line 67, you have to provide your app's ID. You can obtain it in the App for Android settings. Under deployment, you have to select your certificate or create it if you don't have one. Now you can press the publish button to generate the APK file that can be sent to Google Play. And there's our file. And that's all for this presentation. Thank you for watching.